What's up, 300? Thank you for watching 300 views per second. And basically today I am unboxing my PC part haul from Amazon. Now I'm new to the Amazon Prime thing. I just decided to go with the trial, considering I was buying all of my PC parts from there and I could get the 2-day shipping and have it all arrive on the same day. So today I have 3 boxes in. That doesn't include the box that has my case in it. So I don't know exactly what's in each one, but as I open them, we'll find out together. So this is box number 1. So let's see what's inside of this one. Now, I went the PC route, although I am an avid Apple user. So here we have the Ballistics Crucial Sport LT DDR4. I got 32 gigabyte kit, and that has two 16 gigabyte sticks in it. I figured the more RAM the better. I'm looking to do a lot of like 4K video editing, so the more RAM would help. In this box I have my 3.5 inch 2 terabyte, I think it's a Seagate Barracuda. And on to the second box. Also, like I said, I'm an avid Apple user, but I went with this PC build in hopes of making it a Hackintosh, as well as running Windows 10 on it. I want to dual boot it. So in this box, we have my graphics card, which I went with the Gigabyte GeForce GTX 980 Ti with it's the overclock edition, so you can overclock this. You do have the option of that. So I went with the 980 Ti. I was debating on getting the 970 and just saving a couple $100, but why not go for the 980 Ti? I wanted to also make sure that I got something that could handle the 4K editing. This one has like the 6 gigabytes, and you know, it's sometimes better to go have more than enough than not enough, you know, and to end up, you know, you might pay a couple $100 less but end up paying more in the end. So on to the biggest box of today. Well, the second to biggest besides my case box. This is box number 3. Let's see what's inside of this one. Had a lot of big things in there. So we have my power supply, which is the Corsair RM850i unit. I went big on my power supply because that gives me less limits. If I have the 850, I can, you know, add on without having to worry about exceeding my power. So next up we have my Corsair H60. This is my CPU cooler. Now I really wanted the H100. I was so tempted to get that one, but like I said before, I'm attempting a Hackintosh build, and the H60 was recommended in the buyer's guide on Tony Mac. Now this motherboard that I went with, which is the MSI Z170A X-Power Gaming Titanium Edition, I just thought this was a badass board. Actually, when I first saw it, I thought it was white, because if you look at it in some pictures and photos, it looks white, but it's actually just a titanium. For my processor, I went with the Core i7 6700K. It's unlocked, so you can overclock this. It has 4 cores, you know. Okay, and then these are my 2 SSDs. I got the 850 EVOs. One will house Windows 10, the other one should house Mac OS, as long as I get that Hackintosh build to go right. If I don't get it right in the beginning, I'll just keep going until I get it, because I really would like to have this system with Mac OS. I will put in the description the names of all of these items. I'll probably include links. I'm not quite affiliated yet, but I would like to, so I'm always throw that out there. If something is affiliated, you will know. Please follow me at 300 views per sec, and please subscribe to the channel, 300 views per second. Also, you can visit my website, 300viewspersecond.com.